Hi there, we're going to go over this video. I'm walking from Calle Encino all the way to Aquiles Cerdán. We'll go over the Cuale River Island and two hanging bridges. You can see here I'm walking along Encino Street. It's the street that the last street before the end of the downtown area, and it's right along the river, the Cuale River. No, going by here on the left is Café Roma. I have never been there, but they say it's a fun place and has good pizzas. We're seeing now the municipal market called Isla Cuale Mercado Municipal. You'll find a lot of souvenirs, leather, t-shirts, all kinds of handcrafts, and so on. Second floor, there's comida corrida, or traditional Mexican food that's said to be very good. Here's one of the three hanging bridges. This is one that connects the downtown area with the island. It's rather sturdy now. In the past they were very simple. The first one was made on or put on over to this part of the town in 1932. Now there are three of them and pretty sturdy compared to the original ones. Here you can see a few of the stands that are on the Cuale River Island. There's a lot of them. They're very good. They have a lot of variety, all kinds of good gifts you can take along, and interesting souvenirs and so on. So it's a good place to visit. It's nice to walk along the island. It's interesting. There are iguanas in the trees, a lot of cats. In the past it was called Isla de los Niños. No, this is the other bridge, right? In continuation of the one going over from Encino to the island. This one goes from the island to the street that's called Constitución, and the perpendicular street is called Cinco de Febrero, February 5th. No? Down the February 5th street you can find the old cinema called Elizabeth Taylor, but it's now closed, as most cinemas are in town. I would say all of them. We're going by here on the right is the old, or the ex Gutierrez Rizo supermarket that closed. Visited it in 2017, and it was you could see it was on its way out, and people were going on strike and so on. So they went on a strike and they never got back to work because the thing just went bankrupt. It's maybe not the best location for a supermarket nowadays, and with all the big malls installed around the town, it doesn't help. There's this horrible building there on the side, there on the left. Can't really understand how they can build such high buildings. But anyway, this street takes you all the way down to the beach, right beside the Sea Monkey. And that would be it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you can share, like, and so on. Thank you. Bye bye.